Naga we day. Welcome to school too. School too.
Jessica.
Uncle, what's up now?
I'm fine. How you doing now?
I'm fine, sir.
There's something I've been wanting to tell you.
Wait, Uncle, have you been following me?
No, really. I was actually going to school. So I said, let me pass through this road. I saw my love. See, Jessica, I like you a lot.
So, Uncle, you have been eyeing me all those time you be teaching mathematics?
Yes, nah. You know that if we're in school, we don't need to express our feeling. We need to have the pride as a teacher. Don't worry, I'm here. You want to carry water when I'm here? Stop, man. I am here for you. You don't need to do anything. Just give me the chance. You will not come to school, you will pass. Your mathematics. See,
if I need to
you
go.
will get 120 over 100. 120 over 100. See, Jessica, just give me the chance to love you. I will love you for no reason. I will love you endlessly. I will love you benevolently, sacrificially. See, Jessica, my love will be flowing like a river. It will claim. I will sweep you off your feet. What I go? Jessica, look into my face. I'm telling you the truth.
You think say they wise? You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
Jesse, smile for me, even if you're sad. Be good to me.
Uncle!
Jessica, stop calling me uncle. Call me baby. Or call me reality honey, reality sugary, reality sugar pie. Jesse.
Hey, Uncle.
Don't call me uncle. I'm not uncle. I'm only uncle in the school. You hear me? I love. See, just say yes. And I will surprise you.
Yes, baby.
What?
How about it?
Uncle.
Who is he? What are you doing here?
Calm down, Uncle. He's my boyfriend.
Hey!
Baby, you need to go and bath.
Wait. Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
What are you doing in our house?
And for our Nigerian
She's your
government.
girlfriend.
Yes, now.
It's my boyfriend. Baby, please carry the water.
Let me show you.
Please carry the water. Carry the water, baby.
I beg.
Think say they wise?
Baby, come help me scrub my back.
Mumu.
You usually do.
Oh my God! What's gonna happen is going to kill somebody. Watch out!
Sorry, oh. May God
Bye-bye.
not allow them, make them kill you.
Okay, I'm coming, baby.
Johnny Nedinua Abu Wachuko Memu Ogeji Simi Kenaka
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? In case you don't know, School 2 Comedy. Now here with this soon. This is Esco in the building, aka the Pokoro Master.
Yo.
This is
Susie in the building.
and we got.
Butsu in the building.
Yes, sir. That's how we roll. School 2 Comedy. Please subscribe to
Live.
our YouTube channel. Keep watching,
And
keep
you will not
sharing.
regret it.
I swear, we got fresh video, interesting, funny videos.
Every day.
That's so. Bless